What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top. We try to create cool, new, interesting colors that you guys get to rate. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys rate it anywhere in between. And you guys can also request colors and combinations and stuff, and when we get to certain spray outs, I'll try and do it for you. And today is an example of one of those. Had a subscriber want to see eye candy pigment sushi roll over gloss black, and that's what we're going to do today. And I got a fender prepped up behind me. I always typically two-tone it so I can show you variations of 2 different colors so you get a good idea of what the pigment will look like. So I got Oasis Blue by Rustoleum, and we're going to do it over that. It's a real pretty like baby blue color, and I think it'll be a great contrast for the sushi roll color shift. And yeah, we're going to get started by two-toning this fender behind me, and then we'll get into shooting some eye candy pearl. Let's get into today's episode. Guys, so we got our 2 Rustoleum colors laid down, our gloss black and Oasis blue, so you know what time it is. Sushi roll by Eye Candy, a really cool color shift. This looks like it has some green to blues to pinks at extreme angles. It looks really much similar to like a galaxy style color shift, so you never know what you're going to get over the colors, but I would assume that's kind of what it looks like in the package. Sometimes, you know, I am surprised with what these do sometimes, but nonetheless, I'm going to open this up right here. I am using the Finish 1 clear coat system today, 4-to-1. It works just like the Speedo coat that we've used in past videos. 4 parts clear, 1 part medium temp hardener, and I've done 5 ounces total in the mix. 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of hardener, and now we're going to go in with a McCormick half teaspoon, and let's see what we can get in out of this little sample bag I got. Alright, I got about half a teaspoon. I'm going to dump that in here. I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Sushi Roll by Eye Candy. As you can see, it has a nice little color shift flop to it. And in the mix, that's what it looks like. And then we get to stirring. And instantly it starts transforming. I see blues, greens, pinks. Like I said, this is very much a galaxy style color shift. Very, very cool. And I move back my little stir stick, and you see all the different crazy color variations, and I'm dripping it all over myself, but it's all in good fun nonetheless. Let's load up the Vevor gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so as usual, I'm shooting my Vevor gun today, 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger. If you decide to replicate my settings, feel free to go ahead. We're going to do a light coat first to make sure we don't get no reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats till we get the desired effect. Take it out in the sun, see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on, let's get the spraying. guys, so this is Sushi Roll by Eye Candy over Gloss Black and Oasis Blue. I think it did a great job of complementing that Oasis Blue, giving it a nice green sheen. And then of course over this Gloss Black right here, at every angle you see different variations of blue, and even at some extreme angles you see some purples and pinks, and just all in all a very, very cool Galaxy color shift. But what do you think? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. Sushi Roll Color Shift by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Black and Oasis Blue by Rustoleum. I ended up doing 4 coats over everything, wanted to get really good coverage so you guys could see this pearl. And yeah, it's a very, very cool Galaxy style color shift. Shifts many different colors depending on the light. And I think all in all it was a great spray out today. But ultimately, it ain't up to me, it's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And anywhere in between, I'm an affiliate with Eye Candy. I can get you a small discount if you guys want to use my code and go to Eye Candy's website. The links will be in the description. Use WAW Candy or WAW Shop, and that'll get you a discount. If you want to use the clear coat, any other pearls, the paint gun, anything you saw me use today, links for those will be in the description. As seen on YouTube takes you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything there. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. But if you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button. We are growing every day, and we'd love to continue doing these spray outs for you guys. So hit me with a like, drop me a comment, let me know what you thought, and yeah. That's going to be it for me today, guys. I appreciate you for watching. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next spray out.